Hello, quizzers. Are you ready to test your flag knowledge? Let's see if you can guess every country before the timer runs out. But before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more quiz like this. Thank you. All right, let's start the quiz. What flag is this?
It's France. It's Brazil. It's Mexico. It's Philippines. It's Germany. It's China. It's Italy. It's Spain. It's Thailand. It's United States. It's Australia. It's Russia. It's Nigeria. It's South Korea. It's Argentina. It's Egypt. It's United Kingdom. It's Portugal. It's Sweden. It's New Zealand. It's Norway. It's Syria. It's Turkey. It's Malaysia. It's Iran. It's Vietnam. It's Switzerland. It's Poland. It's Greece. It's Denmark. It's Nepal. It's Belgium. It's Saudi Arabia. It's Hungary.
That's the end of this quiz. And don't forget subscribe and comment your score. See you in the next quiz.